Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are going to be unboxing and testing out this two-way faucet for garden hose. So as you can see, it would go just like this, and each section has its own on and off switch, so the water can be going through both or through one. So we'll be setting this up, and as you can see, they put extra washers, so I assume if it starts leaking in here, you can put another washer in. From what I believe, it's almost all metal. Links in the video description if you are interested in this. Alright, let's get testing it. Alright, so the goal is to have hose for the front yard, hose for the back, so we don't have to keep swapping back and forth. So we're going to go ahead and take our hose off that we have on now. And we go ahead and we take our new splitter. And for most standard faucets, it should turn right on. Now I'm going to set my camera down for a moment here because I need two hands to make sure it's tight. So as you can see, now it's on. What I like to do is turn it as tight as you can that it's not going to break it, which I know it's harder said than done. So now it's moment of truth. Alright, and it's not leaking. That is good. So now what we'll do is the hose that we want to run down alongside our house, which will be this hose, we're going to have to get this hose better, get all the kinks out of it. And this is going to be the hose that runs down to the other side of the house by this end right here. So we'll have that one facing this way. So, okay, as I see, that looks like it could be a problem. Oh, it's not, okay. I thought that was gonna be a problem because there's kind of like a gap there, which is kind of odd. Let me set this down here for a moment. All right, so the moment of truth. We have this one turned off, full power, here we go. Full power. All right, so if you see it dripping, it's actually dripping at our metal up here, so it's not actually the device. So the drip is coming from our actual metal, so that has nothing to do with the product, except right there. I saw. So as you move this around a little bit, it looks like it could leak there. I guess the key would be not to just move this around. I don't know. I don't think it's leaking in the back at all. So far, so good. So it's working good. When you move this around, I think it might break the seal a little bit because then you can see some water under here. But I don't think you're going to be... Okay, so basically when this is at an angle, almost wouldn't be a bad idea to take like tape under here once it's fully dry and just wrap it around. Seems to be alright though, as long as you don't like flex the actual device here. So keep in mind, don't move around this at all. Just put it on and let it on. And yeah, so because you can't really move this around too much without it leaking a little water, I am going to give this a 6 out of 10. But it will do the job that we want it to. It's actually funny that our metal is leaking. So anyway, yeah, turn it off. It's holding though, you know, everything's working good and pressure's pretty strong as well. So yeah, 6 out of 10. Links in the video description if you're interested. Again, these drops are coming from the actual metal right up in here. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.